Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a shampoo that not only deeply cleanses your hair, but also nourishes and hydrates it, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the dalla Palma Saniprincipi Nourishing Shampoo. This little gem promises to restore and strengthen even the most damaged hair, and we're going to see if it lives up to that claim. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. Now, let's break it down. The dalla Palma Saniprincipi Nourishing Shampoo is designed to repair and rebuild damaged hair. It's infused with passion flower oil and rice milk, two ingredients known for their nourishing properties. Passion flower oil is packed with antioxidants, making it great for protecting the hair from environmental damage, while rice milk provides moisture and softness. This shampoo also promises to detangle hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and easy to manage, all while deeply cleansing both your hair and scalp. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks now, and I can tell you it's been a game changer for my hair. From the very first use, I noticed how soft and silky my hair felt, even before applying conditioner. It doesn't weigh my hair down, and I love how clean and fresh my scalp feels after rinsing. I've used it in both my morning and evening routines, and it performs just as well at any time of the day. I even noticed that my hair was much less frizzy after styling, which is always a huge win in my book. One thing I've noticed is how lightweight the shampoo feels. It doesn't have a heavy or overpowering scent, but it leaves my hair smelling fresh, which I appreciate. The texture is smooth and it lathers beautifully without requiring too much product, which is always a plus in terms of longevity. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the shampoo lives up to its claims of nourishing and hydrating, thanks to its rich blend of ingredients. The fact that it protects against environmental pollutants is a big bonus, especially for those of us living in urban areas where pollution is a concern. I also love how easy it is to detangle my hair post-wash. No more tugging and pulling to get through knots. On the flip side, the shampoo isn't as thick as some other nourishing shampoos I've tried, so I had to use a bit more product to get the lather I prefer. While this isn't a huge issue, it's something to keep in mind if you like your shampoos to be extra creamy. Another thing is the price. While it's not overly expensive, it's definitely on the higher end, so it may not fit everyone's budget. Now for the value for money. This shampoo does deliver in terms of performance. The ingredients are top tier, and the fact that it hydrates, nourishes, and protects the hair all in one product is impressive. That said, there are alternatives out there that offer similar benefits for a lower price, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. If you're after luxury and professional results, though, this is definitely a solid investment. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, typical of high-end products. The shampoo comes in an 8.5-ounce bottle, which feels generous enough for regular use, and I like how easy it is to dispense the product without any mess. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had to reach out to dalla Palma yet, but the brand's reputation for quality and luxury products speaks volumes. If you do have any concerns or questions, I have no doubt that their customer service would be responsive and professional. I haven't noticed any updates to this particular shampoo, so it's safe to say the formula remains consistent. If you're looking for something more affordable, brands like Shea Moisture and OGX offer similar nourishing shampoos with similar ingredients and performance at a fraction of the cost. However, if you're splurging on this luxury shampoo, you'll be getting a high-quality product that's well worth the investment. To wrap things up, dalla Palma Saniprincipi Nourishing Shampoo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to repair and hydrate their hair. It's packed with high-quality ingredients that work to restore moisture and protect from environmental damage, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and easy to manage. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it's certainly a great pick for those who want professional, salon-quality results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase this product. If you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.